Is Jasmine being a good girl? Tammy? She just staying there?
I'm holding her.
Okay. See, Uli and I are going out the door and she's not going crazy that him and I are leaving and she has to stay behind. Alright, good girl. Now you be nice and comfortable, okay, Jasmine? I know, pretty soon you'll get a turn in a couple weeks, okay? Alright, Uli, roll out. That was a good girl, huh? Good girl Jasmine just sitting on the sofa. Alright, Uli, let's enjoy our beautiful summer evening. Yeah. Oh, you want to go on the back trail? Okay, well wait for me. Uli. Uli, they cut the grass. Look. We can play with our toys now. Come on, Uli. I didn't bring no toys. I need a weed whacker to cut that against the fence like that. Yeah. Come on, Uli. Come on, Uli. Oh, it's just us. Tammy, it's just us. There's Jasmine on the other side of the fence. That's our fence.
Yeah, we'll go potty.
Okay, good girl, Jazzy.